test drive the 2015 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, FWD, steel wheels, tires front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.